Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Say hi, babe. In today's video, we are going to be putting in our passenger seat and taking our bus out on on its first drive with the passenger seat in, which is what we are doing right now. It looks awesome, it's super comfortable, aka the Queen's chair, because it's gonna be my chair where I sit when we drive. Right, babe? So yeah, if you guys want to see us put in our passenger seat and take our first drive with us, we talk a little bit about our travel plans and our future now that our bus is almost done. So if you want to see that video, then just keep on watching.
I had a hell of a time creating this for you.
Alright guys, today is the day. We're putting in the passenger seat. Scott's working on it right now, so let's go see what he got going on.
Today's the day.
It's so young compared to my dad. My dad's like 6'3".
Yeah, your dad's old.
But he doesn't look like it though.
You just got that on camera, your dad's old.
He is.
Give me a little bit of that oil.
Cutting oil?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was not pleasant.
Does that look alright for you, Rich?
Yeah, that looks good.
Your legs, I mean.
There's actually more space to the side than I thought there would be.
I can give you another inch.
That's good for me.
You sure?
Yeah. I fit
I'll
like
take
this.
another inch.
Think so?
Let's see what another inch looks like.
Well, you have to drill another hole.
Then it's
or-
going to come back into the cabin a little bit.
Yeah, I like it better here.
Alright. You're gonna be sitting there.
Alright, so you got to get up.
Oh, my knees.
Should we put this fridge in here before we bolt this in?
Well, it's got to come out one more time, so.
Oh. Wait, actually, no. Let's not put it in if we're going to take it for a drive.
Just gonna have to lift it up.
Alright, so. We got to move that way, it looks like. That should screw right into the metal, and it is. Let's get this in place.
Oh, it's actually blue.
So once we put this in, it's no coming out.
Well, this is designed, you can break this thread.
Oh, alright. So we could pull it out.
Can't over tighten it because we don't have a whole lot of grip down there.
What, in case we ever need to get it out?
No, what we're screwed into. Am I lined up? Yeah, I'm going in.
I got my seat. This is called the Queen's Chair.
It's gonna be Princess chair.
She's in there.
No, don't.
I can't pull on it. Ah. Here's my lap belt. Ta-da!
Alright, so now I need to put that camera down for a second.
For what? Alrighty, guys. Let's take her for a spin. Woo woo. First drive out in the passenger seat. Alrighty. So go up. It's locked. Alright. We are ready to go. Don't drive off the road. We are officially off. Our passenger seat's in. It's our first ride in our bus in the passenger seat.
Yes,
How do you feel, babe?
I'm just so excited. So excited to be driving and with you next to me instead of being behind me or walking around or something.
It's so exciting. It feels so surreal. We've waited so long for this moment. And yeah, we're just ecstatic. We're just taking it to Home Goods because we need some stuff because it's almost move-in time. And we need some stuff at Home Goods. So we gotta go in there and see what's going on, what they got. I just wanted to like film us driving a little bit so you guys could see, you know, more of actually us rather than just videos of us fast forward building stuff. So I'm really excited to start posting more content that's more bus life, that's more lifestyle, now that we're getting more past our actual build. So I guess we'll tell you about our bus starting. So our bus is...
She's a 2010 Ford E450 Super Duty. Regular gas.
Regular gas.
I can't really. Oh, I got it.
We got her with only 47,000 miles on it for a little over 10 grand. We paid her off in full. So we got a really good deal on it. We don't owe anybody anything for this bus. It is fully ours. I mean, we owe my dad a lot of thank yous because he's not that we could have done it without him, but it probably would not have looked this good.
Yeah, it would have taken a
So
lot
thank you,
longer.
Dad. You're the best. And for travel plans, now that our bus is almost done, it's almost move-in time. So by the time you guys are seeing this, we might probably be closer to traveling to Indiana. But right now it's November 18th, the day I'm filming this. So for December 22nd to probably January 2nd, we're going to Indiana, Chicago area to visit Cornell's family, his mom and his siblings, and his aunt, grandma, everybody's out there, his cousins. So we're gonna go out there for the holidays and spend the holidays with them, bring in the new year with them. We've been in Connecticut for so long. I know he misses them a lot because that's where he's from. So we're gonna go out, spend about like 11 or 12 days out there, and then we're gonna come back to Connecticut, work for another month or so, and then our plan is to leave for early February. So in early February we are going to
Florida.
yeah. I just wanted to come back on again because sitting here as we're driving is just so crazy. Like, I know to some people it seems like whatever, like, or people that bought a bus that already had a passenger seat on it, but the passenger seat is like one of the last things that we had to do because it would have just gotten in the way of our build. So to be sitting here while Babe is driving is just crazy. I can't believe it. I can't believe we made this happen.
Yeah.
Like, it felt like a dream that was so far away for so long. And now it's like right at our doorsteps. Just
For me,
remember.
honestly, it came out like exactly how I envisioned it.
Yeah, it really did. It's so
It had been
beautiful.
better actually.
In 10 miles, left onto I-95.
Yep. What's the quote that's like, if you never like take a risk, if you never take a chance, then like you'll regret it or something. Or like if you don't take a risk.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's like if you don't never take a risk, then you'll never know like what happened. What the fuck was that? We're still making sure everything's secure as we drive, so there's been some scary noises happening. But yeah, guys, what I guess I was trying to say is take that risk, take that chance. Don't listen to what anybody else has to say about how you want to live your life, because really, it doesn't matter what they say because it's not their life. And then you won't take that chance, and then you'll regret it because you listen to some dumb, boring person who just wants to live in and fit in with what society says. It's kind of harsh, but it's the truth.